Welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI chatbot created by OpenAI. In this video, we'll explore what ChatGPT is, how you can use it effectively, and how to navigate its features to make the most out of this powerful tool. By the end, you'll feel confident in setting up an account, using the platform, and understanding its potential applications. Let's start with what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence chatbot that is designed to engage in conversational text-based interactions. It's built on OpenAI's GPT technology, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This means it has been trained on a vast dataset of text from the internet to understand and respond to your questions or prompts in a human-like way. Whether you need help writing essays, coding, generating ideas, or even answering complex questions, ChatGPT can assist you. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into how to use ChatGPT. To begin using ChatGPT, the first step is to set up an account. Open your browser and type chat.openai.com into the address bar. Once the website loads, you'll need to create an account with OpenAI. Click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create your OpenAI account. You'll be asked to provide an email address and create a password. After that, you'll need to verify your email and connect a phone number to your account. This two-step verification process ensures your account is secure and ready for use. Once you've completed these steps, log into the website. When you log in, you'll see the main ChatGPT interface. It's simple and intuitive. At the center of the screen is a text box where you can type your questions or prompts. The output will appear as text below the input box, and you can copy, edit, or save the responses needed. While the default interface is user-friendly and works for most users, OpenAI also offers a more advanced option called the Playground. To access it, go to beta.openai.com/playground. The Playground provides additional customization features for those who want more control over how the AI behaves. Here, you can select from different AI models. The default model is called GPT-4 Omni, and it's the most advanced and capable. However, there are other models available that might be faster or better suited for specific tasks. In the Playground, you can also adjust parameters such as temperature, which controls the creativity of the AI's responses, and maximum tokens, and much more. Let's go over some practical use cases to illustrate how ChatGPT can be used in real life. Writing assistance is one of the most common uses. If you need help drafting an email or writing an essay, simply type your request. For example, draft a professional email to my manager about a project update. ChatGPT will generate a complete email that you can refine further. Currently, ChatGPT is free to use, but to use OpenAI, you will need to set up billing before using it. To sum up, ChatGPT is a versatile and powerful tool that can help with a wide range of tasks, from writing and coding to learning and creative projects. Setting up an account is quick and easy, and both the default interface and the Playground offer unique advantages. Whether you're a student, professional, or hobbyist, ChatGPT has something to offer. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with ChatGPT. Explore its features, try out the examples, and see how it can enhance your productivity and creativity. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.